In this lesson, we're going to learn to use a function called rulers and grid lines to do some more precise placement of your text or your images or any of your elements on your page. So if you go up here to the Tools section, there's an option here to add what's called grid lines and rulers. So grid lines are actually super useful, and they show you the lines of a page, and these white lines here will tell you what will be visible on most screens via the desktop. Similarly, these lines here in the center will be the point where people can see the most information. The rulers at the top, you can add a ruler line by just clicking here, and then it's going to add this blue line here. And you can shift this around wherever you want it to be. And if you want to delete it, you go up to the top here and you can just either drag it off the page like that, or when you click on it, there's a delete button here and you can just press delete. So just click on it where that blue triangle is at the top and then press delete. You can do the same thing on the side here. So if I click here on the side, I can move this up and down. And it's really good for aligning things in case you're having any difficulty understanding whether things are well aligned. So let me try to use it to actually align something. So I'm going to use the horizontal ruler here to help me align all of these things to be in line with each other. So I can actually lift this up a little bit more. And so I'm also looking for the snap function to tell me that now it's centralized to the center of the page, looking at the pink line that's going through the center. And so now I have all these images more or less touching the top line. Now let's see if I can add one more to help me get them to be aligned at the bottom. So I can stretch that out a little bit. And so now that is coming out there. I'm going to stretch this out as well. And so now I've got these three images that are more or less sitting within a same level of height. So let's have a preview. And so now they kind of more or less look like they are relatively within the same size when you look at them. So definitely rulers, grid lines are wonderful tools to help you get your design looking clean, professional, and slick.